Hi, I'm Ross with Sky Management, and today I wanted to talk to you about troubleshooting a garbage disposal. We have a garbage disposal here that is stuck. There's a couple things that can be wrong with the garbage disposal. If you flip the switch to it and it doesn't make any noise at all, then there's a reset button on the bottom of the unit, and you can push the reset button. This is for your insinkerators and your Badger units. They have the reset buttons on them. I've seen a few that don't, that can be a little bit different. But these are insinkerators and Badgers. If you flip the switch and it makes a buzzing noise, then that means it's stuck. So I flip mine and it makes a buzzing noise, it's stuck. How to get it unstuck is to you can use a large Allen wrench or the wrenches that come with the garbage disposals to crank them. If you can see down there, there's the reset button right there. And the hole in the middle of this thing is where the crank goes. And you'll stick the crank in the middle, and you can kind of work it back and forth to get loose whatever it was that it was hung up on. And then once you get it around a couple times, then you run some water and turn it on. We'll see if it works. Got stuck again, so it's got something stuck in it. You may have to do it a couple times. And then once you get it flowing, you can run a handful of ice through there to clean it out. So we'll run some ice through here to get it cleaned up, and then it should be good to go.